When is a minivan not a minivan? Well, when it's based on a cargo van. Duh. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is a passenger-friendly version of the Transit Connect cargo van, and the all-new 2019 version makes a better case for itself than ever before. The 2019 Ford Transit Connect Wagon is Ford's big debut here at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show. Now, you might not be able to tell that from a distance, it doesn't look too different, but they did tweak the front and rear fascia to better align with Ford's new passenger cars. And now inside there are still 3 rows of seats like before, and you can fold the back 2 down and create a nice flat load floor that's good for holding stuff. The base engine for most trims is a 2-liter gas i4 mated to an 8-speed automatic. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more efficient, there is also a 1.5-liter diesel 4-cylinder that's mated to the same 8-speed automatic. When the EPA gets around to testing it, Ford hopes it'll achieve more than 30 mpg highway. Like every other new car in 2018, there's a fair bit of tech under the hood here at the Transit Connect Wagon. Auto brake is standard equipment, but if you want a little bit extra safety, you can opt for adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system is also available. It comes with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot with enough space for up to 10 devices. Not only does it have all that, it also includes Amazon Alexa integration, and soon enough you'll be able to use Waze right from your dashboard. The 2019 Ford Transit Connect Wagon goes on sale this fall, and pricing has yet to be announced. I was told I'm not allowed to make jokes for this one, so please like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to browse as many videos as you want because we love money.